This is RGW Airsoft, and this is our new product for this year. This is the ACR stock to the AK with the adapter, and this is our new MK3 chassis for AK, which is compatible for MOA AK and GHK AK version 3. And we also have one with DE color, which is zero coated, and this one is the mini Drago kit, which has the handguard, scope mount, and this is our new adapter for the to cynical stock, BT1 stock to SIG folding stock hinge. And for our silencers for this year, we have this 3D printed aluminum silencers and the totally new RC3. And we are also going to have a deluxe version, which is fully stainless steel. And this, if you know what it is, you will know. If you don't know, I cannot talk about it. Yeah. And that's it for this year.